Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and use another one of these par-baked pizza crusts taken from our freezer, and we're going to make this delicious BLT flatbread that we're going to have for lunch today. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to let's use another one of our frozen pizza doughs, and we're going to make a BLT flatbread. This makes for a really great quick lunch, easy dinner. You can use this as a side dish with your chili or some soup. I think it would really be a great idea for like a soup and sandwich night instead of the sandwich or a biscuit or something to make this flatbread. This is super easy, and I'm calling it flatbread because we're not going to put sauce down on the dough. Biggest question I got when we made our Alfredo chicken and mushroom pizza was, did I thaw out my par-cooked pizza crust first? No, I did not. I just pull these right out of the freezer and then I build them and then I put them in the oven. There's no need to thaw these out unless you want to cut down on your cooking time by about 5 minutes, and I really don't think that's necessary. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this a little bit different. So I have my pizza crust here. It is still frozen. I'm just going to set this aside for a second. I have about a cup each of shredded cheddar, shredded Italian mozzarella cheese, and I have 8 slices of bacon that has been cooked and cut up into little dices, and I have 1 package of chives, because I think that oniony bite really lends nicely here. That's what we're gonna do on the top of the flatbread. And then when it comes out of the oven and it's nice and crunchy and the cheese is bubbly, we're going to further top it with some chopped tomato and some shredded lettuce, and we're gonna drizzle it all with our favorite ranch dressing. I think that sounds pretty good. So what I like to do here is just mix this cheese and bacon together along with the chives. I think that really helps to get everything blended really well. And I'm gonna use my hands. Just go in here, mix it all up. Oh, this smells good already. And now we're gonna bring our flatbread over, our par-baked pizza crust. And there might actually be enough cheese here to do 2 of these. But if you're doing a larger one, it would just be easy enough to cover the whole thing. I think I'm just gonna go with half. And then I'll save the rest for another day. It's definitely enough there for another,
Salad.
That's salad for you? There's no lettuce in there.
Don't need no.
I know, there's bacon though, so okay. This is now going into a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I'll give you the precise amount of time when I come back. When everything is bubbly, the bacon is crispy, the crust is golden brown, we'll be ready to move forward to finish our BLT flatbread. Our BLT flatbread was in the oven for 18 minutes, and it's beautiful and perfect and crispity crunchity and soft in the middle, and I can't wait to finish this off for you guys. So all we're going to do now is turn it into a BLT, because we got the cheese. Maybe you don't put cheese on a BLT, but this is a flatbread and we're going to do it the way we want to do it. We're going to finish this off in BLT fashion, so we're going to have some lettuce. I'm not going to put a ton, just a little. Alright, and there's our tomato. Like I said, you don't want to put too much because you don't want to weigh it down. And then we're just going to go ahead and drizzle this with some yummy ranch dressing. Again, not a ton. Just enough. Whatever your just enough is. Well, there's our BLT flatbread all ready to go, and now all we have to do is cut it up to eat it. So again, same here. Same as last time. I like to cut this in 6 pieces. There's your BLT flatbread. Our BLT flatbread is ready to have for lunch, and you want to taste it?
If I have to.
You have to. Here we go. What do you think? Oh, that's pretty darn good. So that is how you make a delicious BLT flatbread with things you probably already have in your fridge, along with one of our par-baked pizza crusts, and you're good to go. This makes for a really easy lunch, a nice light dinner, or anytime snack really. This would be great to serve if you have company coming over. Flatbread is always a great thing. If you didn't want to put the lettuce and tomato and the dressing on the top, this would be a great side for some soup or some chili, and then you can just go for that. So I hope you give this a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.